Welcome back to all my beautiful babes. If you ladies are new here for the first time, my name is Nicole. Hello. As you ladies can see from the title below, I'm going to be talking about fear and why it's important to get over it. Before we get started, I'll let you ladies to go over and add me on Instagram, which will be in my description bar below. Also, I'll let you ladies to remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you ladies can be notified each time that I upload. And without further ado, let's dive right into this video. Today, I wanted to talk about fear. I want to tell you guys what having fear really can do to you and do to your life and the way your life goes. First and foremost, ladies, we definitely have to be aware of the things that we are afraid of. I really do think that in life, just as women in general, we're always so nurturing. We are always caring. We are always, giving and wanting to give the best of us to everybody that we care about, all our friends, all our family, our partners. Like, we have to make decisions that don't make us feel good a lot of the time. We get stuck in these places and we fear the future, and that is a really dangerous place to be at mentally. You're always going to live in your comfort zone. You're always going to live in a place to where, you're going to go where you know. You're not going to go somewhere where you don't know. You're not going to go out of your way to try to make a decision that's going to change your life because we're so afraid of the outcome. And a lot of times, ladies, we can get wrapped up in the what ifs that we forget about the what about now. The majority of everything that you involve yourself in, as far as like relationships and jobs, careers, anything that you put yourself in comes at a risk. We always want to be optimistic. We always want to be, prayed up. We always want to keep God in the center because a lot of times we neglect the person that knows us better than we know ourselves, our creator. Perfect love casts out all fear. And I don't mean, ladies, that you're not going to, feel, afraid and all this other stuff, because you're going to feel your emotions, but there are just emotions. You are literally stronger than what you see in the mirror. And I know that is so cliche because you probably heard that a million plus times, ladies, but it is so true. You have not even scratched the surface on what your life can be like. I personally feel like I need God more and more every day. I will need God more tomorrow than I needed him today. If you ladies understand that terminology. And I feel like if you allow fear to hold you back and to make you stagnant, you will always have the what if. And in another way, you'll come up with regrets. And we don't want to have regrets. You don't want to have regrets at the end of your life. You're looking at your life and you're like, okay, what did I do, or what couldn't I do, or whatever the case may be. You want to be happy with a lot of the decisions that you made. And of course, you're going to make mistakes along the way, but allow yourself to fall. When you fall forward. There's life on the other side of fear. There's happiness on the other side of fear. Whatever decisions that you need to make for you, you need to do that for you. Whoever is meant to be in your life will be in your life in due timing. You're not missing anything, and if you do lose it, it's probably not meant for you to have in long term, because a lot of times a lot of stuff comes into our lives, whether it's a person, whether it's an opportunity, whether it's a job, whatever it is. A lot of stuff comes into our lives, ladies, and they are there for a reason. They're there for a season. They're there for maybe just a chapter or two in our lives, but then after a while, it's time to turn the page. Do whatever it is that you need to do for you so you can go on with your life, so you can constantly keep evolving. When you're following the path that God has designed for you, a lot of stuff is going to sometimes not make any sense. Things are not going to make sense. You're going to lose people and it's not going to make sense. You're going to lose a job. You're going to, fail at something. Something is going to happen to where it's not going to make sense. Definitely find the strength in yourselves to get over fear and to get out of that fear of lost or whatever the case may be, because you would never know what can be for you if you don't let go of something or someone or whatever that is not for you. My suggestion for you ladies is, maybe get an accountability partner, get some support system, get somebody to chill with, somebody to check on you, somebody to hold you accountable for what you're doing, and give them permission to do that. You have to humble yourself enough to trust somebody else that loves you enough to tell you the truth. Not nobody that's going to tell you what you want to hear, or somebody that's going to tell you to give you the easy way out, and and then they make you miss the entire purpose of whatever you're going through. And a lot of times, ladies, we make decisions based off of our emotions, and that's why I tell you, ladies, to learn how to control your emotions, because your emotions, following your heart and stuff like that, that's what we heard when we was growing up. It's all great on Disney or whatever, but in real life, ladies, you cannot follow your heart, because your heart is deceitful above all things. I want you ladies to go and experience things and have fun with these things. Like, how are you going to know what you like and what you don't like if you don't give yourself the chance? I know change is scary. I know life can be scary because, like I said in the beginning, the unknown. Everything is so like, oh my gosh, what's going to happen next? But you guys have to remember that we have a God that guides us. And we are powerful within ourselves. You cannot let fear ruin your life. Don't let fear guide your life. Don't let fear have even a place in your life. You have to practice not being in your feelings, y'all, because to a lot of us, it don't come natural. Maybe you've been blessed with that emotion. I mean, that switch button to where you turn your feelings right off. But for the most of us, those feelings don't just go away like that. Live your best life, girl. Live your best life. Glow up. Take care of yourself. Love on your babies. Love on yourself. Stop being mad all the time. Stop being angry all the time. Stop being, just negative to be around. And just stop having a negative bubble around you. Like, seriously, make the decision to stop living in fear. Live your life in fear. It's gonna literally hold you back from every goal, every dream that you have is going to hold you back, and in the end, you're going to end up resenting yourself for not doing the things that you want to do. We need to learn to not walk in our flesh, but to walk in our spirit. Don't let fear hold you back from a future that you could have. Don't let time pass you by because you're so worried about this, that, and the other. Get up off your butt. Get up out that chair. Get up out that funk. Get up out that attitude. Get up out that, whatever you're doing that's causing you to, be distracted from the real world. Get up out of it, girl. There's so much more life out here. It's so much more happiness out here. It's so much more joy out here. It's so much more peace out here. It's so much more just point blank, period. Don't let fear stop y'all from doing the things that you need to do so you can get to the things that you want to get to. Like, don't waste your life, baby. I'm trying to see all my fellow queens out here shining. What Beyonce say? Shining, 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 y'all. I forgot the words. Take care of yourselves, love yourselves, and continue to do the work on yourselves, okay? This is a journey, y'all, from the inside out. We got to make these inner changes if we want to see these outer changes, okay? You got to change your attitude. You got to change your mind because everything starts with the mind. Where the mind goes, the man follows. In this case, the woman follows. But you ladies get my gifs. You ladies have reached the end of this video. I thank you so very much for watching. If you ladies found any value in this video, please make sure you hit that like button just so I can know. Also, I'd like you ladies to remember hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell right over there. So you ladies can be notified each time that I upload. Make sure you ladies let me know in the comment section what you ladies want to see in my future videos, ladies. Again, I appreciate you ladies so much. Don't forget to share this video with your sisters and your friends, your mamas, your grandmamas. Please make sure that you spread the love. I love you ladies and I appreciate you ladies so very much. And until my next video, I love you.